So late yesterday afternoon, Judge Lewis Kaplan, who is going to be presiding over the upcoming assault trial that Donald Trump is facing from E. Jean Carroll, that actually begins on Tuesday of next week, so look forward to that. It may prove that Donald Trump sexually assaulted a woman. But earlier this week, Donald Trump's lawyer, Joe Tacopina, made a filing with the court where he said, listen, Judge, Trump would love to be here next week for the trial. It's just awesome. He loves doing it. But he's not going to come because, traffic in Manhattan is just so bad already. And if he were to show up, it would only make traffic worse because when he was here for his indictment a couple weeks ago, they had to block off a lot of streets and the Secret Service was everywhere out there. It was a mess. And Trump doesn't want to put people through that, according to Tacopina's filing. So Trump's not going to come. And late yesterday, Judge Kaplan issued a ruling on whether or not Donald Trump actually had to show up. And Judge Kaplan said, all right, you know what? I'll give you this. Trump doesn't have to show up to trial. He can go and do whatever the hell he wants. I am not, however, going to tell the jury that Donald Trump is staying away from the trial out of the goodness of his heart so as to not inconvenience New York City residents. I am not going to tell them what you want me to tell them. And the judge said, because on the third scheduled day of this trial next week, you think I don't know that your client has a rally planned in New Hampshire? You think I'm that stupid? Now, the judge didn't add that part, but God, the judge should have added that part. Because that's what this is about. Well, that's part of it. It's not that, Trump's so worried he doesn't want you people to be stuck in traffic because of little old him. No, the dude's got a rally planned. Like, he's known this trial date forever, which proves he never intended to go to it in the first place. That is absolutely bonkers. So the judge is like, listen, he doesn't want to come. He doesn't have to come. But I'm going to let these jurors know exactly why he's not here. It's not because he's worried about traffic. It's because he's going to go out and do a rally and a fundraiser. So the choice is yours if you want to make him come in or not have him come in. I'm going to leave that up to you, Joe. But that jury is going to know the truth, by God. And I'm not going to let you sit here and lie to them about Trump being so concerned for their well-being that he doesn't want to go. You know what happens when Trump does a rally? The judge did point this out too. They close off roads. Secret Service has to go in there and, man positions and all that. So the thing he doesn't want to do here, he also is okay with doing in New Hampshire, which makes absolutely no sense. So Joe Tacopina gets smacked down again. Donald Trump is told that, yeah, you don't have to come, but the jury's going to know exactly why you're not here. So really bad week in court for Donald Trump this week. And I imagine it's only going to get worse from here. Ring of Fire has fresh content 7 days a week, so if you want to be reminded about it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell to be notified every time a new video goes up.